Hey guys, so this is how I do my brows. So I'm taking a spoolie and I'm just brushing them out. Now I'm taking this Sephora brush. I don't remember what it is, but I'll put it in the description. And my Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow. And I'm just lining my brows up from the bottom first. So then I just line the top of my brow and fill it in the inside.
It's delicious.
Now I'm taking my spoolie again and just brushing my brows out until I like how they look.
It's delicious.
Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'll put the color of it in the description. And I'm taking a flat brush and I'm lining the outside of my brows up to define my brows. Now I'm going to take more of a dense brush and blend the concealer out. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and continue blending. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and set the concealer around my eyes with a pressed powder. Okay, so this is the finished look. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.